Hello, home design lovers. Welcome back to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we are exploring innovative backyard design ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a stunning extension of your home. Whether you are looking to entertain, relax, or simplify, enjoy the beauty of nature. These ideas will inspire you to create a backyard that not only looks fantastic but also enhance your lifestyle. Every great backyard design begins with a vision. Think about how you want to use your space. Are you dreaming of a lush garden retreat, a family-friendly play area, or an elegant entertainment space? Perhaps you envision a combination of all three. Determining your needs and desires upfront will guide your design choices and ensure your backyard is both beautiful and functional. One of the most effective ways to design a backyard is by creating distinct zones. Use landscaping, hardscaping, or even garden furniture to divide your space into areas for dining, zone, lounging, and activity. For example, a paved patio area can serve as a dining and entertainment zone, while a separate grassy area with soft, durable turf can be perfect for child's play. Consider adding a tranquil garden corner for relaxation, complete with hammock or a bench surrounded by fragrant flowers and foliage. Plants are the heart of any backyard design. Choose a variety of plants that will flourish in your climate zone. Incorporate a mix of trees, shrubs, and flowers to create a layered, multi-dimensional effect. Consider the bloom times of different plants to ensure continuous color throughout the seasons. For low maintenance options, look for drought tolerant or native plants that thrive with minimal care. Every backyard should have at least one focal point. Whether it's a stunning water feature, a beautiful garden statue, or an impressive fire pit. This focal element not only draws the eye, but also serves as the gathering spot or a conversation starter. Water features like ponds and fountains add a soothing sound and movement, while fire pits create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. Comfortable and stylish seating is essential for any backyard. Invest in high quality outdoor furniture that offers comfortable and withstand the elements. Good lighting can make or break the ambience of your backyard. Incorporate a variety of lighting options such as string lights for a whimsical touch, solar path lights for functionality, and asset lighting to highlight specific plants or architectural features. Proper lighting not only extends the usability of your backyard into the evening, but also enhances safety and security. Privacy is the key consideration in any backyard design. Using fencing, lattice screens, or tall plants like bamboo to create private areas that feel secluded and intimate. These elements can protect you from prying eyes and also block wind and noise. Finally, personalize your backyard with touches that reflect your personality and style. Decorate with outdoor rugs, garden ornaments, and accessories that showcase your personal aesthetics. Remember, your backyard is an extension of your home, so let your creativity shine. As we wrap up, remember that designing your backyard is a journey that doesn't have to be completed all at once. Take your time to think about what you really need, choose quality materials that last, and most importantly, create a space that you and your family will love and enjoy for years to come. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your backyard transformation stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing. Thank you.